If you ever want to enter something into a cell without Excel thinking it is an equation, you can use the apostrophe symbol. So if you use the apostrophe symbol, you could go literally type an equation and Excel will know that it's just a text note. It's not, don't solve it, and it won't show that apostrophe. This can be useful if you're typing in phone numbers, like plus 44, etc., etc. Excel is going to think that's just 44, including the rest of the numbers that you type in. But if you do apostrophe plus 44, it will know to leave that plus symbol there. And that's also useful for emails. Let's say we type in an email. This is our email. It's going to think it is a hyperlink or sometimes think it's a function. So what we can do is just put a little apostrophe if we want to use it as just data storage.